Welcome to the EdbMails Restore Bulk PST Files to Office 365, a step-by-step guide. Restoring bulk PST files to Office 365 is made simple with EdbMails Office 365 migration software. It allows you to import multiple PST files directly into Office 365 mailboxes with minimal effort and high reliability. The software supports concurrent mailbox migration for faster processing and incremental sync to avoid duplicates on repeated transfers. With features like automatic mailbox mapping and target folder listing with custom mapping, you can ensure a smooth and structured migration of emails, contacts, calendars, and more, preserving original data integrity throughout the process. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of restoring bulk PST files to Office 365 using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Office 365 Migration. Select Restore PST to Office 365. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click on Add Files. Select multiple PST files. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required connection method. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account.
Click Sign In.
Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Restore. Restore operation under progress. Restore completion message. Click View Logs button to get Restore operation report. That's it for a hassle-free PST to Office 365 restore. Visit edbmails.com today.